Welcome to Smackey's Garage. Today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter on our 2018 F-150. So you should replace a cabin air filter every 10,000 miles if you're in extreme duty, which is you're driving down a lot of dirt roads, maybe there's some fires around you, or 15 to 30,000 miles in normal driving conditions. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace this, and it only takes a few tools. So to replace it, all we have to do is open up the glove box. We need to take off this rubber piece right here, and it's easiest to do if you have one of these tools to take and pull. There's going to be two sets of clips. There's going to be one, just came right out. There's going to be one set of clips underneath, which go into here, and there's going to be one set of clips right here that go into the back. Now that we have this open, all we have to do is take out these two 7mm screws. So there's going to be a screw here and a screw here. Now to take this out, it's really simple. There is a clip down here, which is kind of a damper that you just need to pull on and pull out. So you can see you can't do it one-handed, but you just pull it out and it comes out. And then all you have to do is push in on the two tabs. So there's going to be a tab over here and then a tab on this side, which hold it together. So this will flex. This side will also do the same thing. And after that's out, drops down. Now behind this piece of plastic, there are clips on the bottom that you need to use the tool to take out. Now, after you have that separated, you should be able to just access the cabin air filter. So with this out, the cabin air filter will be right behind it back there. So now all we got to do is pull the cover off of that and we should be able to get in. Well, there are tabs here you can just pull around on either side. So there's one here, one on the other side. So I got this side off. So after I get one side off, I'll pull it out. And take it the rest of the way out. So you can see the cabin air filter in there. I can go ahead and just pull it straight out. And you can see it's a mess. So glad I'm replacing this with a new one. So I'm going to be replacing old cabin air filter with a new cabin air filter. So now that I have that out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the new one, just going to push it into place. I'll put it in the same way that it came out. So just like that. Then after I have that on, all I need to do is put these little tabs back in and then clip it into place. So you need to make sure that these tabs are in and then these get pushed into place so that it doesn't leak around it. Now with that back in place, all these are our clips. So I'm going to push this back in, I'm going to clip it all the way around. I'm going to use the 7mm and I'm going to put these back in. Then with those back in, I'm going to attach this back. So to attach this back, there's this little clip that needs to go in place and then the tabs will fall right back in. So I'm just going to put this back into place. So this needs to get pushed on the other side, so I'm going to push this in so it can go in. The other side has the same thing, so hard to do with the camera in my hand, but I'm going to push this in so it goes over. Then we do the other side. You can see this tab. I'm going to push it in so it goes over. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this damper back on. Let's see, the damper is back in place now. And then with that back in, all I need to do is take this, push it completely back into place, and you can see the clips on the back again, so I'm going to push it just straight back in. Then, after I'm back together, everything is in place. Let's go up and in. Then this just shuts, and we are all set. So thanks for tuning in today on Smacky's Garage. You could see this really needed to get replaced, so don't forget to change your cabin air filters. I'll see you next week.